Hey folks, I'm going to be doing a quick tutorial here on Affinity Publisher using their picture frame rectangle tool. Basically this is a multi-photo layout and I want to just be able to take photos and drop them in and have them fit the shapes that I've pre-made here. So I've already made all these rectangles in the shapes that I want. Happens to be somebody's wall in their apartment building. I can then select one or select all of these frames, right click and say frame properties, scale to max fit. Now what that's going to do is I can also anchor to center. So what that's going to do is drop in the photo, anchor to the center point, and it will scale the photo to fill the entire frame the way I want. So I don't want any like white boxes on the edges. I want to fill the whole frame of the picture. So to show you how this works, I'll just drop a few photos in and get going. The one that's really illustrates this concept is right here. So you see, as I'm dropping these photos in, it just fills up the space. There's my rabbit, kiddos. All right, so if you click on, once you're done and you're happy with what you've done, if you click on the photo and you'll see this box that has or this circle that has arrows. If you click on that, you can now move in real time and see in real time the photo, and you see the grayed out portion, which is actually the cropped off portion. And you can arrange your photo to see to how it fits the best. You can do this with all of them. This one actually fits the proportions. You can see actually this is the same proportions as that box. This one's not, so you can see how I can rearrange it here. So basically that's how it works. If you happen to screw up and have the photo smaller or off center, you can click back on the frame and say frame properties, anchor to center. You can also do, if you wanted to, you could say what does this do? Scale to min fit. This will scale the photo to fit the box proportionally, like it's fit the entire photo rather than cropping the photo off. Scale to max fit will fill the entire photo frame, and it'll prioritize filling the frame. Scale to min fit will make sure you don't crop any of the photo off. That's the difference there. So in this case, we want scale to max fit, and honestly, almost every time I've used this tool, either in Affinity Publisher or Adobe InDesign, I've always done the scale to fit the frame, because that was the intention. And that's really all I wanted to show today, so that'll be the end of this video. Thanks for watching.